Best weight loss workouts for women that actually work. A trainer's go-to workouts for weight loss will help you get into shape and boost your health. 1. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are an excellent cardiovascular exercise that elevates the heart rate, burns calories, and improves stamina. They engage multiple muscle groups while promoting weight loss. Complete 3 rounds of 45 seconds. 2. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a powerful full-body workout that increases heart rate, burns calories, and strengthens the core. They help improve endurance and agility. Complete 3 rounds of 45 seconds. 3. Burpees. Burpees are a total body exercise that combines strength training with cardio. They elevate the heart rate, burn calories, and build muscular endurance. Complete 3 rounds of 45 seconds. 4. Step-ups. Just like bent-over dumbbell rows, step-up exercises engage multiple muscle groups, helping to build lean muscle and increase calorie burning, making them an effective addition to a weight loss and strength training routine. Complete 4 sets of 12 reps. 5. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are excellent for targeting the abdominal muscles, helping to create a toned and defined midsection. A strong core also supports better posture and balance. Complete 3 rounds of 20 seconds. 6. Russian twists. Russian twists are excellent for working the oblique muscles and enhancing core strength. A strong core contributes to better posture and overall stability. Complete 3 rounds of 20 seconds. 7. Planks. Planks are crucial for strengthening the core, which contributes to better posture, enhanced stability, and improved overall strength. Core strength gained from planks can assist in various weight loss exercises and daily activities, making it a valuable addition to a fitness routine. Complete 3 rounds of 20 seconds. 8. Jump rope. Jump rope is a fantastic full-body cardio workout that burns calories, improves coordination, and enhances endurance. It's an efficient way to get your heart rate up. Begin with 10 minutes, gradually increasing in 5-minute intervals each week.